You have a young girl face with an old face. I will screenshot this already.
Tikki. Yes, Anna. You doing it?
Rika, so good Rika. Present.
Bestie dog.
Tikki, and I don't know.
Bestie blood dog. Mr. Hey, Mr. Tikki are the best, you know. Mr. Every time the Tikki say bestie dog, me a doctor, you know, girl.
Wow, me dog.
Mr. Me I went Tikki say bestie dog. Bestie dog. Hey, Tikki are the best, you know. Tikki keep me up every night.
When Tikki,
Right now,
Tikki should keep him ass and Tikki like a Tikki man.
Miss everybody in the chat supposed to know. Girl, you know, doctor. Tikki kill me. Tikki say bestie doc.
You say, no matter how much money them pay me, them can't make you Tikki.
Mr. They can't tell me. Mr.
I'm going to
Tikki
go
are
for
the best.
Rika. I'm going to go for Rika, must go war female night, you know. If
You know why I'm not sorry for Rika? It's because she didn't text. You know I'm not sorry for Rika auntie is because she didn't text the boy named Zuma, you know, and she give the boy she give the boy the permission to send her number, and she come and expose the boy number and send some people him number, girl, but they don't stop calling the boy phone. I'm not sorry for dirty Rika.
Fuck out.
Anyway.
Fuck out. No, Mr. Rika going like she's a young girl, like she's a sweet 16. And me and Rika know him a dirty 11 or raggy 12. Me and Rika know him a bit of 78-year-old.
But don't you know of a friend because don't you know of a friend auntie because me see she come and I have strength for tick and for Zoom and me see she come and I try have strength for you, but she never have strength for blame them tell her about the cancer and cuss her dog right now make she bad living in water. So are you she have strength for auntie? She never know say I wrong girl.
You can't have no strength for me a blood clock or make her back her age like a ratchet knife on the media. Left the whole of we freeze.
Me say me girl you never see blame them they cuss her make she bad. They cuss her make she bad living in water and she never have no strength to blame them.
Tikki from there, I'm not laugh so I'm telling you the truth. Thanks.
And as she first started, she just never know say auntie you are the wrong girl. Auntie uncle, you know? Auntie say, yeah, bra, you know, say back your auntie says a back you like a chick.
I know that, you know. But no, say Tikki the prepare for her now because it's from Tikki. If she come and Tikki feel serious. And she
Me take her
realize
the route and me know me not like her.
Yeah.
Me know, it's a dirty girl my spirit not like. So if I see my spirit don't take him, me know there's something wrong.
Yeah.
So me just take off the posture.
My spirit don't take her from love days neither, my love.
So if my spirit don't take her, me just take off my posture. So me just make some.
Yeah, I see. I realize that I say, yeah man, Tikki not like her now. I see this.
Me just don't like her.
And then she say I saw your female. Tikki say, hey, Tikki have a perfect comeback in there when the girl say I saw your female. Tikki just say, when I melt your pussy or something like that. So me say, me scream.
When I melt your all grey hair them by your pussy, you put peer young boy, she take like Sharon Young Boy Association and 9 foot. She shape like in front of the man statue up a hero circle in front of the woman one.
Okay, did not say she and Jackie are used to the door.
Am I anybody who are used to the no used to the fear pussy not have no label pan it, my love. Our pussy bandolo are illegal.
Illegal.
She a fuck her now wine. Cause she's a bitch like me. Man fuck it over and follow you up a gas.
Sorry.
Jojo, stop talk foolish. She says cancer the woman have. The woman come talk it on the live. Say a cancer she have. And when blame them take it cause her, she barely live in her water. And I suck
but she a cancer in her pussy?
No, she have in her head. In her head, Tikki, in her head. Her head
she have chemotherapy on her pussy?
Her head shine, that's wiggly.
She want to do a chemotherapy on her pussy?
My chemo go do it.
Yeah, Nikki, she friend back blam them. After blam them take her sickness, cause her the girl run go friend back blam them, Nikki. And that's time I tell her say she not on portion a girl. Cause nobody couldn't take my sickness, cause me and me friend them back, my love. You know, she say she not on portion a girl, and she want come for Auntie Tikki. Feel say Tikki a go back down. Make she move her dirty blood clot and go bestie duck when me cough up some cold pit pan the girl. Duck bestie.
Duck. Wig me, come supposed to ugly without no wig. Me, I'm a boy. I am a boy. My name is Roy. Move your blood clap, bitch.
No, sir. It kills me, no,
Guys,
man.
me go in live right now. Me I go in the bathroom, go dash shower her belly. Cause me know why my baby run back off a Rika them, so might as well me go dash her away.
Later, Tikki.
Guys, in a later. Guys, later, yeah? Fab. Bye-bye. Wait here. I have to look at the page and we take the picture here. Look at the page. Hey, the people are timing still sometime, you know. Our blood clot, Ayawa.
Fish. Ah, what the boy?
And that's why me the black your mama, you know, Marcus. And you see when me black your mama now, you see me the black him, and he
Boy,
can't
you
today tell me
fish.
to unblack him. So you see when me black him again, I whoop him, go beg me to unblack him. Watch the black your when go get again. Tell Aya say me black him. Blood clot. Tell him to call me and me pull him back again. Since as he have you, I fuck him, and he can't talk to you, he no need to come for me live. A blood clot come go tell me this, I go tell me that. I go call on my phone and tell me say unblock him, please. He must know him. I tell him of it. So if you fuck him, you can't fuck me, cause me not take blood clot, boy. I cock him taking on my wall. So if you fuck him, you not fuck me. Guys, later. So I want him blood clot, call my phone, tell me if you unblock him again. Auntie Nina, you can't be something on my cash app. Auntie Nina, you can't be something on my cash app. Auntie Nina, you can't be something on my cash app. Guys, later, yeah? Auntie, me beg you something. Alright, Azuri. Guys, later. Tomorrow.